Samsung just started releasing the Android 15 base One UI 7 update, but now attention is already moving to what comes next, One UI 8. According to new leaks, this next version isn't going to be a big flashy update. Instead, Samsung is focusing on making small improvements and fixing issues, rather than completely changing the way things look or work. So what exactly is happening with One UI 8? Samsung is already working on it, and it's expected to launch with the new foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. These devices will come with One UI 8 already installed, which shows that development is well underway. We've also seen early test versions being prepared for other Galaxy devices. In fact, One UI 8 was recently spotted running on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. From what we've seen so far, One UI 8 looks very similar to One UI 7. There aren't any major design changes, so if you were hoping for a totally new look, you might be a bit disappointed. But that's okay. One UI 7 already brought a lot of new design updates. Now, One UI 8 is focusing on making everything smoother and easier to use. Think of it as a cleanup version that makes things better without changing everything. Some people are even saying that One UI 8 is basically what One UI 7.1 was supposed to be. Because One UI 7 took a long time to roll out, Samsung did release a 7.1 version. So now, One UI 8 is stepping in to fix small problems, add improvements, and get ready for Android 16. What are these improvements? According to leaks, most of the system still feels like One UI 7, but with a few tweaks. For example, apps like the Gallery and File Manager have been slightly changed to make things easier to find and use. These small changes may not be exciting, but they make your phone more user-friendly. Now, here's something that could get people excited, the Now Brief feature. This is an AI-powered tool that was only available on the Galaxy S25 series. One UI 7 didn't bring this feature to older phones like the S24, which disappointed many users. But now, it looks like One UI 8 will change that. The test version for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 shows that Now Brief is included. That means Samsung may finally be bringing this smart feature to more devices. This alone makes One UI 8 a worthwhile update. If you've been wanting to try out Samsung's latest AI features without buying a new phone, this is good news. Even if everything else looks the same, having Now Brief could really improve how you use your phone. Of course, this is just the beginning. The final version of One UI 8 might include more new features and improvements, especially since it will be based on Android 16. That means faster performance, better battery life, and more security. To sum it up, One UI 8 might not look very different from One UI 7, but that's not a bad thing. It focuses on making your phone work better, with a smoother design, small but helpful app changes, and the addition of Now Brief. It's not a big, flashy upgrade, but it's a smart one. Samsung users can expect a more polished experience, fewer bugs, and possibly some new surprises along the way. So even if One UI 8 doesn't make a big splash, it's shaping up to be an important step forward for Galaxy phones.